Hello everyone, I'm Danuta Mieloch. I'm here at Rescue Spa in Philadelphia. Welcome, and today we'll be doing a little mini facial from Valmont. Amberlynn, maybe you tell us a little bit about your skin concerns. What would you like to achieve? And
my skin's reacting, a little purging on my chin area and around the lips, and a little dryness on the cheeks.
she has a little bit of breakouts right around her chin area, and it seems like we have spoken before that she's using different types of products. I always encourage people, if they are breaking out, to kind of focus on one line, maybe go through the system and then see how that works. This way you can normalize, because oftentimes companies like Valmont, they organize the products that are working simultaneously, and they are great to balance the skin. For cleansing, I'm using that much. Thorough cleansing is super important. So I love to massage the cleanser in, spend some time massaging, and specifically with her chin is her problematic area at this point, so we're just spending a little bit extra time massaging in that cleanser. Anybody who watches me, they know I'm obsessed with washcloth. So I'm really obsessively cleansing the skin. So I generally double cleanse. We're removing that buildup. We don't even notice. We sit under UV lights. We wear sunscreen, we wear makeup, and all that stuff has to be removed. The next step is face scrub. Valmont scrub is amazing because those little scrubbies are algae particles, so they exfoliate. So for Amberlynn, I'm applying straight on the skin. For those with more sensitive skin, you can wet the skin first and then apply the scrub. And with scrub, it's all about your hands, how you really exfoliate. So you need to really get in there and create like a circular movement, lifting, and being very thorough is so important. Getting into the corners of your lip. So Valmont scrub we use in every facial. Anybody who has that rough skin, rough texture, the makeup doesn't sit right, you want to remove that dead layer. When you're removing that layer manually, scrubbing, it's like, wow, I'm really getting cleansed, and I really see it and feel, freshness, and my skin is revealed. So the third step will be priming with hydrating fluid. This fluid toner is amazing substitute for anything if you're using any lactic acid toners or stripping toners, because it's super hydrating. And it's great wintertime. It's great for skin that is irritated post breakouts, and you want to heal those breakouts because it has antioxidants, it has a sea buckthorn extract, a little bit of witch hazel, so it tones, it hydrates, it keeps your skin balanced. And after already pretty intense scrub, this is a great way to tone your skin. You can use as a spray. The hydrating mist is so great because it penetrates and oxygenates the skin. And I follow. So the same lifting, sweeping movements. How does it feel?
It's nice.
So her skin feels very refreshed. I think whoever knows me, they know I love renewing pack. It rehydrates the skin. It gives a skin enough hydration, because oily skin and skin prone to breakouts needs hydration as well. In order to speed up the healing, you need to keep your skin moist and hydrated. For those who are doing self-massage at home, you want to apply a nice thick layer, and you can simply leave it on for 5-10 minutes. Let that penetrate like a mask and then massage it off, or you can start massaging the way I do it. For those who are learning how to massage, you start in the middle, circular movements, and upwards. As you can see, Amberlynn was super dehydrated. She literally drank the renewing pack, and I need to add an extra. We know we need more product, but we also know we need to drink probably more water. So after a little massage, we're going to use a purifying pack. A purifying pack is an amazing mask treatment from Valmont. There are few benefits from using this mask. It feels like a clay mask but never dries the skin, so you can never overdo it. I usually use my hands to apply masks. Some people use brush, but I feel like with my hands I'm able to massage in the product a little bit better. You really want to concentrate on areas that have breakouts, but it's not necessary only for breakouts. It tightens your pores. So for those people who have bigger pores throughout, it's so beautiful. Perfect. Eye cream on her lips. This is a professional setup, but you can purchase them. So the patches should not be too wet. They should be like nice, damp. They have a little V shape. So you want to stretch it out. You want to make sure that all the lines around the eyes are, not that she has any lines around the eyes, she doesn't have any lines. You must have been using eye cream all your life, Amberlynn. So after removing a mask, I like to rehydrate, regenerate the skin, and sort of put everything back into the skin, which is hydration. And I love using Moisturizing Booster. It's a hyaluronic, triple hyaluronic acid booster. We all know about hyaluronic acid that holds the water much better than any other product. And what's so magical about this Moisturizing Booster is it can be used with your electronic gadgets. For our treatment, we have the Ionics machine. Treatment use, you need a pretty ample size. You can apply just on one side, the side that you're working on, or you can apply all over. So this is electric currents with LED lights. It's a great treatment, it's very healing, it's very regenerating. And the oxygen is not like your regular oxygen, it's an ionic infused oxygen, which is the kind that you would get walking on a beach. For home use, you would use the NuFace in the same way, right? After this, we're going to apply moisturizing serum emulsion for more hydration. It has a light texture, almost gel cream-like. And I love using that under the LED lights. So that's a great treatment. You get the ionic oxygen plus LED lights. It's very relaxing, regenerating, again tightening pores, rehydrating, soothing, healing, anti-inflammatory. So now her skin is super rehydrated. It feels there's a different feel to it, different texture. Sometimes we need two creams to treat one face because our skin and different parts of our face is different. So for example, for Amberlynn, I would love to use the soothing cream on her chin because the soothing cream has no perfumes. It's for someone who loves that kind of like a simple hydration, not too many ingredients, yet it holds the moisture and works on skin that is a little bit sensitive, maybe rosacea type. So we'll do the soothing cream on her chin, and then for the rest of the face, we'll do the detox cream. So I'll use on her cheeks and on her forehead, and then soothing cream for her chin. Valmont is known for eye creams. And honestly, I think they make the best eye creams, and there are so many choices. So for younger skin, I like IC Gel. it's depuffing, it's hydrating, it's very lightweight, it can be used on anyone. For Amberlynn, because we're preparing her for the night, and I think I'm gonna do V-shape. To apply eye cream tapping movements. And that's it. So voila, she's ready to go to bed. And by the time she wakes up tomorrow, all this irritation, everything will be gone. And she'll continue to use a good regimen, right? The most important thing is keeping hydrated and keeping your regimen. Not to skip your steps. Okay. Alrighty. Bye everyone.